Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is hands down the best carpet stain remover on the market, the Folex Instant Carpet Spot Remover. Whether you're dealing with pet accidents, wine spills, or that mysterious stain that's been haunting your couch, this powerful cleaner promises instant results with zero mess. Let's take a closer look at what makes this product a must-have for every home. The Folex Instant Carpet Spot Remover comes in a convenient 2-pack, each bottle holding 32 fluid ounces of cleaning power. It's designed specifically for carpets, rugs, upholstery, and any color-fast fabric that can be safely dampened with water. It claims to instantly remove tough stains like grease, red wine, food, ink, makeup, coffee, even rust and blood, and without needing to rinse or vacuum afterward. That's right. Spray, blot, and watch the stain disappear. What sets Folex apart is how fast and easy it works. The moment you spray it on a stain, its surfactant-based formula starts breaking down the grime. There's no waiting around, it acts on contact. Just apply the solution, gently agitate with your fingers or a cloth, and blot. In most cases, the spot literally vanishes before your eyes. And unlike many other cleaners, Folex is non-magnetic, which means the stain won't reappear later. That's a big deal when you've tried products in the past that seemed to work at first, only to find the spot creeping back days later. If you've got kids or pets at home, safety is probably a big concern, and rightfully so. Folex is non-flammable, odor-free, and completely free of VOCs, CFCs, and petroleum solvents. You won't be knocked back by strong chemical smells or worry about flammable ingredients. It's safe to use around your family when used as directed, and it doesn't leave behind harsh residues that might irritate sensitive skin or paws. Another huge plus? No rinsing, no vacuuming, no long waiting periods. You're not tied down to a cleaning session that takes up your whole evening. It comes with a reusable cleaning cloth, adding extra convenience and saving you from wasting paper towels. It's great for quick touch-ups or deep cleaning sessions. Super handy to keep in your cleaning caddy, car, or laundry room. Whether you're a pet parent, have toddlers running around, or just love a clean living space, Folex is for you. Spilled wine at a dinner party? Gone. It's a true all-rounder that fits seamlessly into your cleaning routine. So, if you're on the hunt for the best solution to tackle stains fast, Folex Instant Carpet Spot Remover deserves a spot in your home. It's safe, powerful, and truly effortless. Don't just clean your carpets, rescue them. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more no-nonsense product breakdowns. See you in the next one.